Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a big day for Rappi TT. It's modification day, and it's one particular modification I've been wanting since the time I actually bought my TT. So this is a install video, and this particular modification is an OEM version. I've looked for over a year for something aftermarket, and it's just not been good enough. The quality has been quite poor with this particular mod. There has been either very sort of flimsy material being used, they don't sit right. I've seen some on some of my mates' TTs actually, that this particular item moves when you're driving as well. So I'll let you know what it is. I'll show you what it is. It's an OEM version of the TTRS spoiler. I was very lucky enough to get this one already in the gloss black.
It's some rap. It's some rap.
So now we've seen it, let's go and install it. So in order to find out where the holes are going to sit and to get it perfect, you lay some masking tape across the holes, and then you poke just in where the holes are, like this, and you'll see how we can transfer that straight onto the car in a sec. We do the same thing for this one. Leaving a part of it over, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a second. Make sure you got that on nice and flat. There we go. So now, let's go outside. bit that I've been worried about, drilling into my car. So I can imagine me going to Audi and saying, can I have a spare part please, can I have a fixed spoiler? Because I've drilled it in the wrong place. I've checked, triple checked, double checked, quadruply checked, and my holes are here, ready to go. This side, all ready to go. Moved it back and forwards, moved it around. Wish me luck. So all done, all finished. The main problem was the bolts. Had to cut the bolts down because they were too long for some reason. I've no idea if the RS spoiler at the back is actually thicker, but here it is.